During blasting, the explosive decomposes and releases CO, CO2, SO2, NO, and NO2. When the construction personnel in the tunnel breathe, they consume O2 and release CO2. When the tunnel passes through coal seams or some other strata, gas and hydrogen sulfide will also be released. During drilling and muck loading, a large amount of smoke and dust will be generated. During the operation of the tunnel, the running vehicles emit exhaust gas, CO, and smoke, and sudden fire accidents, firefighting emergencies, traffic disorders, and other incidents can occur. In the process of tunnel construction, due to explosive explosions, the use of internal combustion machinery, harmful gases released from the strata during excavation, and the respiratory activity of construction personnel, the air inside the tunnel becomes dirty. In order to ensure the health of construction personnel in the tunnel and create a good construction environment, we must take effective ventilation and dust control measures to feed fresh air into the tunnel, exhaust harmful gases, reduce dust concentration and temperature in the tunnel, so as to ensure construction safety and improve labor productivity. So, how to promote the ventilation and dust control in the tunnel? There is natural ventilation and mechanical ventilation. Natural ventilation is achieved by utilizing the temperature or height differences between the inside and outside of the tunnel. It can only be used in short, straight tunnels, and its effect is greatly affected by the climatic conditions outside the tunnel. Therefore, relying entirely on natural ventilation is rare, and most tunnels adopt mechanical ventilation. According to different ventilation types and installation positions of ventilators, mechanical ventilation can be divided into duct ventilation and gallery ventilation. First, let's learn the duct ventilation. According to the direction of the airflow delivered by the pipeline, duct ventilation includes three forms. The features of this ventilation method are: the fan conveys the fresh air outside the tunnel to the working face through the air duct, and the dirty air in the working face is discharged out of the tunnel along the gallery to achieve the purpose of ventilation. With this ventilation method, high-power fans and large-diameter air ducts are adopted, and it is applicable to many conditions. Exhaust ventilation. The features of this ventilation method are: the fan sucks the dirty air from the working face into the air duct and discharges it out of the tunnel. The air in the gallery is fresh, while the air near the working face is dirty. When the fan is set close to the working face, it is vulnerable to damage by flying rocks from blasting. This ventilation method is generally not used alone and is often adopted in combination with the blowing fan to form mixed ventilation. Combined ventilation of blowing and exhaust. Its features include the following: 2 sets of fans and air ducts are provided, and 1 set is of the exhaust type, used to discharge the dirty air out of the tunnel. The other set is of the blowing type, used to deliver fresh air to the working face. It possesses the advantages of the above 2 ventilation methods and overcomes their shortcomings. Therefore, this method is commonly used. However, it can lead to an increase in the quantity of pipelines and fans and other facilities. When the diameter of the duct or pipe is small, this method can be adopted. But when a high-power fan is needed, it is more costly than blowing ventilation. Gallery ventilation. Gallery ventilation functions with the help of the tunnel itself and service galleries, e.g., parallel adits. The main airflow circulation system and local airflow circulation system function together to achieve the purpose of ventilation. Now, I'll take the tunnel with parallel adits as an example for illustration. Main airflow circulation system. The interconnecting passages between the parallel adit and the main tunnel are used as the air passages. A main ventilator, main fan, is set at the opening of the air passage on the side of the opening of the parallel adit. During ventilation, the two air dampers set at the openings of the parallel adit are closed. When the main fan sucks air out, negative pressure forms in the parallel adit. The fresh air outside the main tunnel is replenished into the tunnel through the main tunnel, while the dirty air enters the parallel adit through the frontmost cross passage and discharged out of the tunnel through the construction ventilation passage, forming a main airflow circulation system with the gallery as the ventilation passage. Local airflow circulation system. In the excavation area of the main tunnel and parallel adit, fans must be set to form a local airflow circulation system. 1 or 2 blowing fans shall be arranged in the excavation operation area of the main tunnel to introduce fresh air. The dirty air at the working face is discharged out of the tunnel with the main airflow circulation system through the cross passage and parallel adit. For the selection of ventilation method, duct ventilation is not only applicable to the one-portal gallery but is also widely used in the construction of long and large tunnels at present. Gallery ventilation, usually used with the assistance of service galleries, is one of the main methods to achieve ventilation in long and large tunnels. Ventilation and dust control method can help to replace and purify the air in the tunnel, reduce the concentration of harmful gases and dust content, ensure the health and safety of tunnel construction personnel, and improve work efficiency. During the construction of the tunnel, we also need to pay attention to the following 4 points. The ventilation method for tunnel construction shall be determined according to the length of the gallery, construction method, and equipment conditions. When the main fan ventilation system cannot meet the ventilation requirements for the tunneling of the gallery, a local ventilation system shall be provided. When the air duct is long and the requirements for air pressure are high, multiple ventilators can be connected in series. When the parallel adit is used as the ventilation gallery, in addition to the first cross passage, other passages shall be provided with dampers and managed by specially designated personnel. Passages that have not been used must be closed in time.